Hi. There comes a point in many girls' lives, and yes, I'm going to self-refer as a girl, though I'm nearing 50, which is odd to say, but I think I can still call myself a girl. So there comes a point when one feels something's lacking, you need something, and one says, chickens. I need chickens. But how did we get here? I'm not really sure. I can tell you one day I said to myself, I think I need a puppy. Okay, long before that, I said to myself, when I was about 30, I said, I think it's time to settle down. I think I'm ready. And then shortly thereafter, I think I need a kid. I want a kid. And these are all really good happenings in one's life. And then the kid grows up to an extent. And then there's that, I think I need a puppy. Didn't get the puppy. But eventually I said, I think I need some cats. A cat. Well, I wanted one cat. I ended up with 3.
Yay, it's your tutu. Finally. Yeah, we got you the tutu. Just like you wanted. Just like you wanted.
And they are wonderful, and they are a cat pride, really going around the house trying to capture everything. And then I thought, I think I need a farm. I want a farm. And I kind of got one. And along with those farm thoughts were the, I think I need a chicken or 2 or 7. So chickens we got. And we got chickens from Murray McMurray Hatchery. We have 6 Red Star chickens and 1 mystery rare bird chicken.
Oh, can I get my phone before we release them?
Well, I was going to film you releasing them.
Well, I want to take my phone. They're so cute. Listen.
6 chicks and a 7th. Which, when I looked at all the little baby chicks and tried to figure it out, I think our little mystery is a mystery man. I think it's a little bantam, English game bantam rooster. Pretty sure it's going to be a rooster. Tail feathers are getting a little long to be a hen. So, chickens. Now, did I need chickens because I need eggs? Do I need eggs because I need chickens? That's one of those questions we know. And I don't think anybody's been able to answer that ticking time question for somebody feeling that it's time to create more life and more joy and more family, even if the family happens to be animals and whatnot, or animals that we eventually eat. Does that work?
Here. Ooh. He's the first guy to find it out.
Use both hands.
There you go, baby.
So, midlife. I have chickens. I have cats. I have a farm. I have a guy. Might have a dog sometime. A puppy. Maybe in a year or so. I don't know where it ends. I do not want to be one of those ladies with 30 chickens. Especially because what am I going to do with those eggs? Just figuring it out one step at a time. Listening to my heart and trying to do my best.